Okay, we're back at Competition Engines, and we have one of our do-it-yourself kit 408 hydraulic roller Clevelands, 600 plus horsepower. So these are becoming extremely popular now. The builder of the engine is Josh, and Josh is located in the Traralgon area in Victoria. And the customer's name that owns this engine that Josh has built it for is Aaron. Aaron was in here before. He's putting it into a beautiful XA Falcon. Car's been off the road for many years. We supplied, like I said, the do-it-yourself kit. He's used a lot of his, bits and pieces that he had, like for example, his Morosso valve covers. Have a look at them. People, look for Morosso valve covers. When we were, in the 90s, we used to purchase these new, no longer available. So he retained his Morosso valve covers. Car's been off the road, I think, close to 30 years. So yeah, so Josh has purchased one of our do-it-yourself kits. He's an engine builder in Traralgon. We've done many do-it-yourself kits for him. We machine them, we supply him all the bits. It's a guaranteed combination, guaranteed camshaft, guaranteed compression ratio. He can ring us up as many times as he wants with questions. He's a very experienced guy. So normally, he gets 99% done by himself. Then he's brought it here for an engine dyno. So we supply the parts, the machining. He picks it up, gets assembled. Then he brings it back. He's a couple of hours away from here. Come in this morning nice and early. We've started it up. We've run it in together with Josh himself. He's here. Power tuned it. And now we're going to take it off after we give it a couple more runs for you guys to see. And he's going to head back to Traralgon, couple-hour drive. So again, these are unbelievable. Has our crank in it, has our custom piston in it, H-beam conrod. The key to the puzzle has the AFD hydraulic roller cam. It's 246 and 50. They're the basic specs. These make power. They RPM. The torque's amazing. This is made. We'll go across here. We'll cut it a little bit short. We'll go back to the engine. 634 horsepower and a whopping 572 foot-pounds of torque. If you scroll down here, air fuels are good. It's one of our ported heads, so we hand port those CHI castings. We hand port the manifold. We've supplied it. If you come across here again, all the stainless 12-point bolts. So look, another thing is guys will say, how much? How much? How much? We don't answer. How long's a piece of string? Do you want the 12-point bolts? Do you want an electric water pump? Do you want a mechanical water pump? Do you want an ICE ignition? Do you want an MSD ignition? In this case, he had an oil pan. So Josh used the customer's oil pan. So we have do-it-yourself kits. We have complete builds ready, to quote. We have prices ready, but just contact the shop. 5-minute conversation. We get a few details from you, and then we can send you an email on the quote. Everyone's slightly different. So it has an 850 Pro Systems carby. That's magic. So that carby is, again, a magical carby. We've changed air bleeds and we've put some jets in it. Those jets will now come out of that carby, and we'll put the smaller jets back in it. So normally when we dyno it, once we've dynoed it, it's open pipes here. We put the carby on the bench. We drop 3 sizes in the front and 3 sizes in the back, knowing it's going in a street coat with an exhaust and air cleaner. So if we left it alone, the guy put in a street coat to be rich. So we drop the jet so we're 100% on the mark, or it'll be much closer to be perfect in the car. Normally we say once you get it going, start it, check your timing, put an air fuel meter on it, go for a drive. So it's, you need to make sure you know what you're doing. Guys that are fitting them in the car, pretty sure this will come back to Josh's place, and Josh will fit the motor and go over all these things we just discussed. The ICE ignition, this is their street kit. Great. It's been flawless, no problem. Press a couple buttons and adjust the timing. We use both MSD and ICE. Customer preference. We made 620 odd with no spacer plate. So that carby directly on the manifold, which will fit under the bonnet. And then we tried a 1-inch 4-hole, like HVH style spacer, 1-inch open. And then the HVH 1-inch was the best out of the 1-inch spacers. And then we went to a 2-inch spacer, and that was the best, 634 odd. But the funny thing is, without no spacer, it was still 560 odd foot-pounds and 620 odd horsepower. So still strong. Has Yellow Terra rockers, has our valve spring package, which is an AFD slash pack valve spring kit, AFD camshaft, ISKI lifters. So again, we sell this in many configurations, head and cam packages, complete builds. Call us. We have questions. You have questions. We can quote you, right? Mechanical fuel pump. We did start and originally run it with the electric pump. We like to do that. Then everything's right. Float levels are set. Carb is set. Then the last 2 or 3 runs, we've plumbed up the mechanical fuel pump, given it another 2 or 3 runs. Make sure fuel pressure is good, pumps up to scratch, no leaks. So this is Bonza, unbelievable sort of combo. 634 horsepower, 572 foot-pounds. If you think about it, this is a 408, 11-1 on pump gas hydraulic roller engine. This is a 10-second motor that you could drive anywhere and everywhere. So hydraulic roller, pump gas, again, they're getting better and better, but the biggest piece to the puzzle is this camshafts we're using. So, we're developing camshafts or getting camshafts, trying camshafts for many years, and now we're selling them under the AFD banner as camshafts or head and camshaft kits and so on. So let's start it up and you can have a listen. Okay, so we're about to start it. Like I said, built by Josh up in Terrelgan. Owner of the engine is Aaron. Going in a 4-door XA, big bonnet scoop. Like I said, it's got that 2-inch spacer. No reason we put a big spacer on it. Picked up a little bit, but he's got a big bonnet scoop, sort of 80s looking tough car. So he said, mate, put whatever's going to work, put that on. So that's why it's ended up with a 2-inch spacer. But the 1-inch would have done the job. 2-inch spacer, slightly better. So we'll start it up now and we'll give it a run. Alrighty, so we're going from 4,500. Normally, like this guy here is going to get one of our transmissions. We have them in-house, our 650 horsepower transmission. One of our AFD 9.5-inch, 4,500 stall converters. So again, not only do we have the parts to build the engine or the camshaft or whatever, we also have the drive line, the engine mounts, the tranny, the transcooler, the whole lot. So here we go. Let's go. 4.5 to 6,700. Sounds real nice this up top. Sounds very impressive. Swing it across here. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. 637 horsepower. Like I turned that to 6,700. The last one was 6,500. A whopping 571.5 foot-pounds. That motor, mate, that's got to be one of the top 5. Sort of that camshaft, 11-1 compression. 246 at 50, AFD camshaft. They got valve lift. The lobes are very unique, the opening and closing rams. They make humongous amount of power. There's the proof right in the pudding there. So Josh done a great job. Aaron's going to be a happy customer. Over and out.